Hello, everyone. Braised fish is a favorite dish for many, but when frying fish, it's common to encounter problems like the skin breaking or sticking to the pan. Today, I'll teach you the right way to make it. Watch once, and you'll master it. The result will taste as good as what you'd get in a restaurant. First, prepare a free flatfish. Clean out the guts and scales, then score the fish on both sides with diagonal cuts, as shown in the video. Place the fish on a plate. Add julienne scallions and ginger, a pinch of salt, and a spoonful of cooking wine to remove the fishy smell. Squeeze the scallions and ginger to extract their juices, which will not only enhance the flavor of the fish, but also make the meat more tender. Use the scallion ginger juice to coat the fish thoroughly inside and out, paying special attention to the belly. Let it marinate for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare some additional ingredients. Chop some scallion whites into small pieces, slice the ginger thinly, mince garlic, and cut dried chili into small sections. Place them in a bowl for later use. Chop some scallion greens for garnish and set them aside. After 10 minutes, remove any residue from the fish and transfer it to another plate. Use kitchen paper to pat the fish dry to prevent oil splatters while frying. Lightly dust the fish with a thin layer of dry starch on both sides. This is a small trick to keep the fish from sticking to the pan. Heat a large iron wok until it starts smoking, then add a small amount of cooking oil. Swirl the oil around to coat the wok, then pour it out. Add cold oil to the hot wok. This hot wok cold oil technique prevents sticking. First, fry the fish tail until it holds its shape. Then, lay the fish in the wok and fry over high heat. Shake the wok gently to ensure even heating. After about 20 seconds, the fish will move freely in the wok without sticking. Fry for about 3 minutes on high heat, then flip the fish to fry the other side. Keep the wok moving while the fish stays still, allowing even heat distribution. Fry the head and tail as well, ensuring the fish is evenly cooked. Once done, the fish will have golden, appetizing skin. Remove it from the wok and set it aside. Using the same oil, stir-fry the prepared aromatics until fragrant. Add 28 Sichuan peppercorns to bring out their numbing flavor. Then return the fish to the wok. Add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, a small splash of vinegar, oyster sauce, and half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce for color. Pour a bowl of water along the sides of the wok. Add a pinch of salt, not too much to avoid bitterness. 1 teaspoon each of white pepper, sugar, and chicken bouillon. Avoid adding any other seasonings. Bring the mixture to a boil, basting the fish continuously with the sauce to let it absorb the flavors. Cover the wok and simmer over medium-low heat for about 6 minutes. Once done, uncover the wok and the aroma will be irresistible. Baste the fish with the sauce again, then reduce the sauce over high heat. Transfer the fish to a plate. Strain the leftover sauce to remove any solids. Then thicken it slightly with a slurry of water and starch. Pour the thickened sauce over the fish and sprinkle with freshly chopped scallions. And there you have it, a delicious, fragrant braised flatfish ready to serve. This method works with other types of fish too. The meat is tender, flavorful, and perfect with rice. A dish like this would cost 58 yuan at a restaurant, but you can make it at home for just a few yuan. If you've learned this recipe, save it and try it at home.